So first of all, thank you everyone who demonstrated their solution. We already finished the course, so it was the last assignment, and well, we were working together for a couple of months, and I'm really happy that you were actively participating in this hard work, and it was a big pleasure working together with you. Well, today a lot of you presented your courseworks and final projects. In addition, we have a couple of students who would like to present their projects to the whole audience. So I'm really appreciate that, and Sophia wants to present her solution and final project. The solution is related to the hotel booking system. And yeah, I would like to give a word to you, Sophia. Please, the floor is yours.
So yeah, I would like to present my project, which depends on hotel booking system. And first I would run and then show you all the functionality of it. Okay, so yeah, this is the main view, the main page. And there is implemented a login system and register system. So to show all the whole functionality, I would login as an administrator of the roster. Also in this app, password is important. So if you have the wrong password, you won't came into this system. So here is you're logged as administrator, and you can view your details. For example, I have 40 of them for an example, and you can choose any you want. For example, in Rome, and you can view rooms, and you see some of them, and then you just press the one you want, press the button book, and then choose dates you want to be in this hotel and for how many days. And here you see also the full price. And if it's okay for you, you press book now. And you now can also, it is unavailable now. So just like you book this room, and you can view your bookings. So you have in this account, I have also like some of them. And this one, we're just like did it 1 minute ago. And we have it here. And the status is pending now because administrator it did not assign it yet. Also, with the hotels, you can rate them by the names and by their ratings and search them by any, for example, by the city. We can see like the Odessa city, and for example, we can view it, come back, and also we can see recently viewed hotels. About the administrator access, we have some options to manage hotels, rooms, bookings, and users. Let's start from hotels. And when we can just like add some new ones, name, location, just some stars, a description we can write, and we would add it to this list. Also, we can just change these ones. We can update it. For example, resort and so something like that, and just change the description and update, and it is updated. We can see it. And also here we can rate them as before. For rooms, we can choose the hotel and see what we can do. We can also update, we can delete something and clear the information about the room. About the bookings, we see all the bookings from all the users and we can confirm some of them. For example, we see this one, we did it like 2 minutes ago, and we can press confirm. And then when we just come back, it's confirmed. And when we just look at my bookings, we see it confirmed. And about users, for now I have 4 users here in the system. And we can also delete them, add, and make an administrator. So for example, I have only one admin now, but I can just like make, for example, this person an administrator by just pressing this button. So, and this is like the functionality of my app. Also, you can register your new account. I can show you also, but like you have some fields here, and it's important to input a valid email because it wouldn't pass you through. Also, I added to my project some detail. Let me log in as a not as admin, as a simple user who can just like view the hotels and just it. So he can't manage hotels, rooms, bookings, etc. So as a regular user, if I would have a button administrator, if I'm not administrator, I would press on it because of my interest, and I would choose something of them. So let's choose, and we have a redirection, and I just have a song here because it's like something with a stream. Oh, but yeah. So then we have the crow here. Yeah, so like it's for the very interested users. Yeah, so maybe that's all. And also as a user, you can see your hotels, and also, as I mentioned, if you choose the hotel you already booked another user, you can see this room is unavailable because another user is like already booked it for some days and you can't book it. So maybe that's all for functionality of my app. Yeah, thank you for your attention.
Well, thank you, Sophia. A great job. Well, the next one, we have Yaroslav Kalinichenko. Yaroslav, are you online?
Yes, I am. Hello, everyone.
Hello, are you able to share your screen?
Yes. So my idea was to make a powerlifting platform that every newcomer or middle or even advanced guy who is working on powerlifting can get here and get something new or generate programs for himself. So this project is based on React from front end and Spring Boot application from the backend. They are communicating within HTTP comments. Let it be so. So every guy can visit this site and read something about powerlifting, and the user can choose himself, for example, that cycle for the power increasing. He is entering some values, so to say, something like this. Let's left this by default, and we can generate our program. So the program is generated, and now it is available in two variants, one in a PDF format. We can open it here, and we have all our 8-week program in our PDF format, and we have in our Excel format. We can import it. In just a second, I will open it. So it's here. They are equal with each other, and they are generated randomly but accurately. So our main exercises are generated strictly for the algorithm, and our accessory ones are generated randomly, but with appropriate percentage and something like that. Yeah. So that's all the idea of my project and all the functionality.
I have a question. Is it somehow possible to see a face of a person who created this program?
Yeah, it's here.
Nice to see you, Yaroslav. That's amazing. Thank you. This is for public speaking. So
Yes, thank you.
showing up.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, so hello everyone. I believe many of you like movies, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that's great. So I will send to the chat my nickname to Letterboxd, so anyone who wants can add me to friends. So I like movies as well, and that's why I decided to create a mini app just to store some movies I liked. So here is how it looks. Those films are loaded from the file, so it remembers everything. And as you can see, they have these beautiful coverages, their name and their rating on the main board. If I click it, so they will show all the additional details and also the IMDb page. So it works like that. We can see the film here. So I can sort those films, for example, by a year or rating or duration. Let's sort it by year. Or I can search by name, like this is case sensitive, so parts, and it will put Duna Part 2. So here it is. You may wonder why some films have this coverage and why don't. So when we add film and we put some information, for example, like this film. So this is how we can add the film. The director is me, of course.
Yeah.
Like that. So here we can put IMDb rating, list of actors that will be stored as an actors, but let's put it like this, then a description and IMDb URL, which is not available for this film, and also the coverage paths, which if we left blank, so it will be like this. But if we put something that it will display the picture like this. After that, we have a table with all the actors we have. For now, this is only one actor, but for example, we can add Tom Hanks. I don't know when he was born, so let's put it like this, country USA and rate actor. So we add him, and as you can see, when we check the details, so here are all the details we put. And if I wrote it correctly, like Tom Hanks with N, it would also show that he appeared in the Toy Story movie because he is one of the actors. Yeah, but unfortunately, I had a typo. So the directors work with the same functionality, and here we have an unwatched film. So when we create a film, we can tag watched or unwatched. If we haven't put this tick here, it will appear here. But when we watch a movie, we can just mark it as watched and it will disappear like that. And besides that, it also has a little analytics section where we can see the distribution by rating, genres, and also release year of the films which are present in this database. And besides that, it shows like how many films are unwatched or watched here. And it, of course, can save and load data. So this is my mini app. Thank you for listening. Any question? No, that's great.
Thank you. Thank you. And the last one, Yaroslav. Yaroslav Kondratenko, I am adding you to Zoom.
Forgot how to do it in Zoom. One moment. Yeah, wonderful. So basically, what is main reason of creation my program? We all love to earn some money. So basically, I wanted to create a simulation how to do it in a truly capitalistic world, society, and the main point is like trading application, trading simulation. One moment, can I turn the program? Yeah. So my program called one moment, YOLO Simulator. We only live once. Basically, what is the main functionality of my program? We have different sections: my profile, trades history, stocks, and charts. We can select or create trader. I will just select one because we already have information on them. We can select Walter White, for example. We can enter budget of like some sum, basically, for example, $1,000. It's the sum that we can spend to buy some stocks. My database is consisted only of 5 different stocks. It's Apple, Google, Microsoft, Nvidia, and I forgot, and Amazon. Wonderful. Because I wanted to implement API, like in the first stages of creation of my project, but I didn't manage to do it. Because I had a problem with finding like compatible API to my program. But I found a very big database for like history for like 15 years of stock market for these 5 companies. So basically, what we can do with this program, we can buy stocks with trader on this sum. For example, we can buy Apple stock. I put it $1,000, so we can buy 3 stocks, but we cannot buy more because we don't have like enough money to do that. Like if we try to buy more, we just will have a warning because it's an efficient budget. And we also can sell these stocks that we already have. Walter White has 11 Apple stocks, 10 Google stocks, and 2 Microsoft stocks. And overall, they all valued at the sum of $5,000 with like cents. Well, also because we have like information for all of these years, we can just switch to like 2020 to see how much money could he has on that period of time. Also, because we sold like stocks, we already have more available budget because we bought 3 stocks, but we sold 4 stocks because he had 12 stocks on the start of our application. Also, we have trade history. We can just sort everything. We can like see all trades, buys only, sells only. We can also look for a specific type of stock, like Apple, for example, and history of buying and selling the stock. We can sort everything like by symbol, by quantity, by price, by total. Also, like stocks, we can see here history of market capitalization change, like it's changed by date, like change regarding by latest date before that date. Like in dollars, but also in percentage to price that already like in this date. Also, I have like the most comprehensive feature of my application is charts. One moment. Yeah. So we can also see here like history of stock, how it had been doing like for like these days that we chosen by the calendar. We can like choose different stocks, Google, Amazon, and etc. Also, we can move this graph, zoom out, zoom in, just mouse over it. And that's basically all the functionality of my app. Thank you.
Oh, great job. Thank you. Any questions? Great. So seems that's it. Thank you for everyone who demonstrated publicly their solutions. Really appreciate it, and I hope you enjoyed working with your projects. And from my part, I just wanted to share some updates related to the exam. So on 28th of May, as it was planned before, we have the final exam. It starts